Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce your tax obligations with TurboTax easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Select the appropriate version based on your tax situation, whether it's free, deluxe, or premium. Begin by entering your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, input your income information, such as wages, self-employment earnings, and any other sources of income. Make sure to gather and input all necessary documents, like W-2s and 1099s. TurboTax will guide you through the income section, prompting you to ensure all income sources are covered. After entering your income, navigate to the deductions section. TurboTax will offer personalized suggestions for deductions based on your financial situation. Consider itemizing deductions if they exceed the standard deduction. Common deductions include mortgage interest, property taxes, and medical expenses. Ensure you enter all eligible expenses in the designated fields. Explore tax credits available for education, energy efficiency, or childcare. TurboTax will help you calculate potential credits and incorporate them into your tax return. Double-check each section for accuracy and completeness. Utilize TurboTax's error checking feature for any potential issues. Once everything looks correct, proceed to the tax calculation section. TurboTax will compute your taxes owed or refund due. Review the summary of your return, paying close attention to any flagged items. If you're satisfied with your return, choose how you want to file it. You can e-file for a quicker processing time or print and mail your return. Consider your payment options if you owe taxes. TurboTax offers various payment methods, including direct payment and credit card options. After filing, keep a copy of your return for your records. Use TurboTax's features to track your refund, if applicable. If needed, revisit TurboTax for year-end tax planning tips to minimize future tax obligations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.